It's another fine Monday, and had a damn good Sunday. So we are back here in the shop. Everything went good, so we're gonna get everything, all the body off, panels off, and double check everything. When you're testing the body, everything on, you can't really see everything, all the lines. So yeah, we're gonna get it all pulled back apart right now and triple check everything. Got to change front upper arms, and other than that, just cross the T's and dot the I's, and yeah, get trailers loaded, and we're KOH bound, so let's get into it. I got the drive line out of it, getting the third member guard off right now. That way I'm gonna drain the rear end, pull this third member out, and get our other third member. Still trying some things, so got a shakedown on Wednesday. So yeah, tried some stuff at our first shakedown, and then we're gonna try the other setup, kind of what we're thinking on Wednesday, and that'll be kind of our final decider of what exactly I want to end up doing. So yeah, getting third member out, and then gonna get the rear hubs, axles out, get it all cleaned, and then get the other gear in here, slap it back together, get some fresh Maxima 250 weight in this bad girl, and wipe her down. Everything else is checking out. So far so good. So yeah, get this big job done, give everything else a good look over, slap her back together, and go do it all over again on Wednesday. I am disassembling because in the shakedown we tried a rear gear, trying to get faster. So yeah, tried a rear gear in shakedowns, and now we are trying another gear for our shakedown with Fox on Wednesday. So getting it all disassembled right now, and yeah, getting everything switched over, but everything else so far, so good. Gotta get it done. Gotta get it done.
When do you leave the King of Hammers?
Wednesday morning, and it is Monday at, shoot, what time? Not late, so we still got a whole night ahead of us, so plenty of time to work and gonna get some ish done. Rise and shine. It's another lovely Tuesday on the Snap-on truck. No better way I'd like to start my Tuesday off.
Professional team needs professional tools.
Exactly. Dude, we put the time into working on the truck. Gotta have the right tools to do it. I feel like slipping knuckles, and Snap-on keeps me right. Adding to the toolbox list, getting everything I don't have and that I desperately need. Not only Snap-on day, great day, but we just got a fresh load. VP Fuels Eco 96 got us ready to rip, coming into King of the Hammers. Only trust the best in my race vehicles, and choose VP to keep me running. Oh! What the f***?
Might as well take it for a test drive.
I could send it. Dude, new boot goofing?
Yeah, I got some new boots. That's why I'm here. Came to show them off.
I like them. What are they?
Get the Trey approval. Red Wings.
Oh, fish. Damn, son.
I had a gift card.
Nice, nice, nice. Solid deal, solid deal.
So when you guys need a new driver?
Right now. Cause I ain't cutting
Put me
it.
in, coach. Put me in.
Put me in. Hey,
He's right
fast on a bike. Yeah, everyone that's fast on a bike has always been fast in a truck.
So you co-driver?
Oh, no.
Come on, man.
Ain't no way.
One race.
I don't ride right seat. Nope.
We can sit in my lap and I'll drive.
Oh,
Come on.
shit. Dan's going crazy. Yesterday was an M&M day and it was a pretty good day, so slowly towards the end of the day it turned into kind of a Lincoln Park day a little bit. But yeah, we're starting the day off with some M&M. See what the rest of the day turns into. All right, let's get to it. So you might need to find that wire, which would be in the office in one of those bins somewhere. Okay. And those were the silver cans?
Those are the big, like, silver looking ones?
Yeah, for the Pressure Pro.
And they are,
Okay, but he emptied the tire ones, right?
everything's all full.
Okay. In a place that they're not gonna get ran into, just set them over here for now. Someone told me not to be lonely. I owe you dinner.